Hello all, welcome to BISP Solutions. Today in the advanced features in FCCs, I am going to tell you about partner elimination. So when partner elimination is enabled at the time of application creation, we create configurable consolidation rules. This enables us to write data directly to a sibling of the entity currently being consolidated if the sibling is its intercompany partner, or if one of the siblings' descendants is its intercompany partner. In the example given below, US Holding has an investment in company A, which is its sibling. This is recorded in the investment in subsidiary account with company A as the intercompany partner member. When we use partner elimination, the value in the investment in subsidiary account is written to company A's goodwill offset account with US Holding as the intercompany partner member. So we will go to the scenario created. So LED 2001 is our holding entity and LED 2002 is its subsidiary. I have set the POV accordingly. Then I have taken cash account, investment in subsidiary and common stock. And to input the figures, I have taken the following movement: changes in cash, acquisition of companies and businesses, changes due to issue of stock. So this case here is like this, that the holding entity invest 1600 in the subsidiary. So we will reduce the cash here. Further, the balance sheet of the subsidiary, it has issued stock worth 2000. So common stock increases and there is increase in cash figure. So this is our simple example I have taken to explain the partner elimination feature over here. We have input the figures and now I will submit the data. The application, and here first I will since I had created the application earlier and I have already enabled the partner elimination, so I will show you the enabled features through configuration. So this here is an option definition of partner elimination. So I have already ticked it, and once we enable this feature, you will see in the data source dimension I'm going into dimension, and here I'll choose data source. So under total data source, then under total elimination, you will find partner elimination gets created. This member is created when we enable partner elimination during application creation. And the property, the data storage property, is a store. So basically it is a base level member. Now after this, there are certain configurable consolidation rules which needs to be created. Under application, click consolidation. Then click consolidated and choose configurable consolidation. So we have all the rules over here. The 9 seeded rules are given. This is investment partner elimination. Now in this rule set, first you have to give the name once you are making this rule. Then the description is to be given here. Then the condition, I have taken that entity current method is equal to holding, or entity current method is equal to subsidiary, or proportional. And data source should be greater than or less than 0. Intercompany consolidation percentage should be greater than 0. When you click on this condition, you will get this drop down list from where you can select all the required conditions. So right now we have taken the method which would be applicable on holding, subsidiary and proportional method of consolidation, where data source will be greater than or less than 0. Consolidation percentage should be greater than 0. Percentage change should be greater than or less than 0. Or the intercompany current method is equal to data value when calculating the data to be written to the destination. So this factor multiplies with the source account, and whatever value comes goes to the destination account, targeted account. Further, in the data set, there are other POV. For scenario, year and period, I have taken current. Consolidation, we have taken entity total. Currency is parent currency. And we have taken periodic. Then I have clicked on partner elimination. So partner elimination is been enabled. We have taken all the entities, total descendants of total geography, and account I have taken investment in subsidiary. So once this rule set, we have given the all the members of this of all the dimensions, and then we will click on save and close. Then when we drill down this rule set, you will see further I have created 3 rules. Investment link. Now this is the rule within the rule set that we just created. So all the properties, all the features here will be copied from the rules inherited from the rule set itself. What changes we have to do here is in the processing option. There are 2 options, add and subtract. So the add option will post the process data to the elimination consolidation dimension, applying the factor to the source data value. Next, the subtract option will also apply the factor to the source data value, but it will post the reverse value. So we will take add over here. Entity redirection will be same as source. We are not giving any target here. Then account investment in sum, I am redirecting it to the investment link account. And movement I have chosen here as changes in other investing activities. Rest, there won't be any change in any of the dimension members. So then we will save and close this. Next rule is of goodwill offset partner elimination. Here also processing option will be add. Then the account redirection I have given for investment in subsidiary as goodwill offset. Then last I have prepared investment link partner elimination rule. the direction investment in subsidiary will be to investment link account. Movement will be changes in other investing activities. Now that our rules and the entire rule set for partner elimination is being prepared, we'll deploy it. So these seeded rules have already been deployed. And now we have deployed the partner elimination rule too. Okay, now we will go to the ownership structure and define the ownership structure of the entities we are going to consolidate. So LAD 2001 is my holding entity. I have given it the method of holding and it owns 80%. So the ownership percentage I have changed to 80 and the consolidation method is given accordingly. Now we will go to rules and run the rule of consolidation. So the rule will be first run on the holding entity. This is our holding entity. Period January, scenario is actual and year FY15. Now we will go to the smart view sheet which I have already set for the required results. We will be seeing it at elimination. The consolidation dimension will be elimination. Then I have taken, and this is my first entity, holding at no intercompany. Then I have taken holding as and given the its ICP partner, which is the subsidiary. Similarly, here also when I'm taking entity, the subsidiary entity, then here I have given ICP partner, the holding company, as the ICP partner. So we're going to see the result in all these dimension members. So I ran their consolidation rule, it ran successfully. Now I will refresh the sheet. So you see here the consolidation process for this legal entity 1 wrote data to both legal entity 1 and its partner, this legal entity 2. So the investment in subsidiary, you can see it is getting eliminated. This is the investment link rule which we have created. It is writing of the investment in subsidiary. Then the investment link partner elimination rule which we created, it is used for partner elimination to write this reversing entry to the subsidiary. Then the investment goodwill offset partner elimination rule that we created is used for partner elimination to write the value in the investment in subsidiary is coming to the goodwill account. Okay, now we'll go back to the application and we will run this rule for the second entity, which is the subsidiary. And here I will refresh it. So for legal entity 2, I have chosen this block for consolidation, the second consolidation which we have done for the legal entity 2, which is subsidiary entity. So if you see the result here, the owner's equity goodwill offset rule in the owner's equity subsidiary proportional rule set, which is the seeded rule set, this applied the holding company's ownership percentage to the total equity and wrote to the goodwill account. That is this figure coming here. Now further, here goodwill in this, if you see here, this is with the reverse sign, it is posting it because the rule is posting from an equity account to an asset account. Then minority interest rule. This applies to the minority interest ownership percentage to total equity and writes it to the minority interest account. So this is how partner elimination rule, partner elimination features helps us to write the rule in the subsidiary if the subsidiary is the ICP partner of the holding. I hope it was clear to you. For more videos, you may log to our website www